In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Adidas purchase history, a helpful tool if you're keeping track of your orders, managing returns, or simply reminiscing about past purchases. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, head over to the Adidas website and click the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can choose your preferred method of signing in. If you have an existing account, this is where you'll want to sign in to access your personal details and purchase history. For those of you who enjoy the convenience of single sign-on options, you'll be pleased to know you can log in using your Google account. Just click on the Google button to proceed. Once you click on Google, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your browser. Select the Google account that you use with Adidas. This step is quite self-explanatory. Just ensure you're selecting an account linked to your Adidas profile, or else you'll be missing the vital purchase data you're after. After successfully logging in, look towards the top right of the page for the profile icon. Click on it to access your account dashboard, which hosts several features and settings, including your past orders. The layout is quite user-friendly and can usually be accessed on both desktop and mobile devices, allowing you to check your details on the move. Proceed to look for the Orders section, typically labeled as such, and click to see more detailed information about your current and past transactions. Right here, on this page, you will see a summary or list of your most recent orders. Click on the order you're interested in for more specifics regarding that purchase. If you want to explore further or look at older purchases, there is usually an option to view all of your orders. This part is particularly useful if you are looking for something specific such as older receipts or order numbers. Scrolling through this view provides a complete list of your transactions, showing detailed insights like order date, product details, and status, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated through your Adidas account to find your purchase history. Whether you're verifying a purchase or planning your next buy based on previous orders, having all this information in one place is incredibly helpful. This wraps up our guide on accessing your Adidas purchase history. We hope this process is now clearer and easier for you to follow. Don't forget to explore other features within your account that can enhance your shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.